Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play PSP games on your Android device, and by the end of this video you become able to enjoy all your PSP games at a very good FPS on your device. Now simply start by opening your Play Store or your App Store, and then once in here go ahead and search for PPSSPP. Now there are actually two versions of this app. Now you are going to see this free version, and at the same time you are going to see this golden version. Now you can actually use any one of your choice because they are actually kind of the same. So once you've downloaded your PPSSPP emulator, go ahead and install your Z Archiver app. This app is super important because with this app you'll be able to extract your games that you are going to be playing in the emulator. Now once you are actually done with all this, then go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator. Now this is how your emulator is going to open for the very first time. So it's going to ask you to create a folder. So once you click on OK, all you have to do is just choose a folder that is going to utilize. So I'm going to be using this document section. So once I click on document, I'll click on use this folder, I'll click on allow, and that's it. Then I'll click on OK. Now you will observe that there's actually no game in here to play. That's because I've not extracted any game to play. So to do that, I'll go ahead and open my Z Archiver app, and then I will locate my game files. Now you have to locate your PSP game file. Your PSP game file is normally going to be a zip file or it's going to be a 7Z file. So my files are inside my download section. So you can see I'm having some game files in here. So I'll go ahead and extract one of these files. So to do that, I'll simply click on it, and then I'll click on extract here to extract the game ISO file. So once done extracting your ISO file, simply hold down on the game file. So hold down on it and then click on cut. Then go back to your main directory. You have to go and put it inside your PSP folder, the game section. So I'm going to be pasting it in here. So I'm going to do the same thing for my other two games that I have in my download section. Now once you are done extracting all your game files into the PSP game section, go ahead and open your emulator. Now once you open your emulator do not actually know where you are keeping your game, so you have to click on this browse icon to show it. Once I click on browse icon, I'll go ahead and show it my PSP folder. So it's in document PSP game. This is where I'm storing my game. So I'll click on use this folder, I'll click on allow, and now you can see that all my games are ready to play. Now you need some settings adjustments so that you can actually get the best graphics for your PPSSPP emulator. So I already have a dedicated video for that, so I'm going to be recommending that at the end of this video, so you can actually watch it to get your best PSP settings for best performance. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
So that's got things on the way. Well, Rai is someone who is emblematic of another generation in that endless line of great Brazilians.
Yeah, so many. And someone who's proved his excellence in both his home country, Peter, and in...
Round one.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button,
I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.